No one eat that apple. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Bianca. Welcome to my channel. So yesterday I went apple picking and I got some apples. So what do you do when you go apple picking? You don't make apple pie because that's just disgusting. So I'm gonna make candy apples and I hope you guys enjoy, and Jordan's gonna join me, I think, making candy apples. Are you gonna join me?
Yeah, I'm trying to find my hat. I have an ugly pimple and I don't want it to be shown.
We have our apples. If you didn't watch that apple picking vlog, it's up here and down below. So the way I like to make candy apples, I hate the jelly kind, they're disgusting. So I do caramella, and the hard chocolate outside of it on top of the caramel, and then marshmallows and like pretzels, like pieces of pretzels. I love that. It's like so good.
Do you like the skewer to be in?
So Jordan likes green, I want red. I like green, but I want red for mine. And I'm gonna give him a rinse. And give him a rinse, melt the caramel. No, we don't melt the caramel, but we have to melt this. Ah! I'm just gonna be back when I'm making them. I put the caramel in now. You take your Yale. Give me a knife I stab in here. Okay, my apple. Apple, caramel, dip, 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 dip around. Dip, 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 dip. Oh my god, this is the sexiest.
This one block is still very thick.
Alright, so put it in for another, like... Look how sexy she looks. After you let the caramel drip, you dip it in the chocolate, which Jordan is mixing right now because he's an amazing sous chef.
Who's Sue?
You tell me, Sue. Perfect.
This is burning my hands.
Okay, to the chocolate. Sexy, the most sexiness. Oh yeah. Look at that. So sexy. I'm never gonna be able to get that fork out. And now we top it. Jordan's not in any of this video, by the way. He's like running around. Marshmallows and the pretzels and the graham crackers, and like before the chocolate hardens, you have to stick. You know, you have to decorate it. I'll show you guys. Let's see how Jordan does. It's so easy, even a boy could do it.
Bianca for you, always sticking her hands in things that's not hers.
Yeah.
This is really bad.
This has never happened before. Well, mine's okay. Mine? Jordan's. He didn't follow the directions. Oh my god. Look at our apples. You could guess whose is whose. Maybe not. These two are mine. Those two. I have lipstick on my finger. Those two are mine. And those two are Jordan's. Okay, final thoughts, final review. They'll taste better than they look, so.
This is the first time I think we've ever done them and they've come out like weird.
I know, I always do them and they come out amazing. So if you guys like this video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and follow me over on Instagram. And if you guys want to go and subscribe to Jordan's channel, maybe it'll force him to post more covers. So I'll leave his YouTube down in the description and I guess at the end of the video. So if you guys liked it again, see you tomorrow. Bye!
This is Halloween, pumpkin scream in the dead of night.